Hello guys, welcome to a new video, a very short video actually, about how to do a monohybrid cross. Now, the question asks us to cross a purple flower with a white flower, and we're going to assume that these are both true breeding. And the correct expression for both of these, let's just say purple is the dominant one here. So we're going to say PP for the parent crossed with a lowercase p for the white flower. Now you want to apply these to the chart here, just a square chart. So we're going to say capital P, lowercase p, and then you combine these so they become one genotype, like so. Capital P, lowercase p, capital P, lowercase p, capital P, lowercase p. Now in this case, every single outcome of this monohybrid cross is going to be a purple flower, because we said purple is dominant, and therefore these each have one dominant phenotype, one dominant genotype, I apologize, and one inferior genotype. So all four were purple. Thank you for watching.